Ooh, can I vlog?
No.
Saturday afternoon. Willie and I are getting our workouts in before we went into the beach today. It's actually, I think it's perfect beach weather because there's a lot of sun, but it's not like super humid where you can't breathe. I can breathe just fine. Doing a little bit of shoulder raises or lateral raises. Pump up the shoulders. We can pump up the shoulders before we go, right? Let's see. Still got to go to Target. See if I can find some running shorts because right now I have my old ones. And what? Running shoes?
Yeah, what happened to the ones you bought from China?
Running shorts.
Oh.
If I can't find them, fine, whatever. So I'm gonna finish this workout and then go to the beach.
Nice thing about my house, it's close to the beach.
Heyo! Finally heading to the beach after this one got off work. To wait for her to get off work to go to the beach. And it's about 4:30.
Is it 4? Almost 5.
And we're gonna stay for maybe like a couple hours. Get some nice beach swimsuit photos.
Who? You?
Of you and me. And I and you.
I'd rather not.
No,
Document.
you will. Okay, so we're gonna head there. We're gonna try to find parking, and hopefully we'll find a spot because I don't want to park too far. Just as I feared.
Well, remember that
Parking
there's
is backed up.
Remember there's that secret parking spot?
It's not secret. It's like it's right on the side street, but I don't want to walk that far.
Well,
I could park there and walk.
yeah.
No, it's okay. Well, I guess what we're gonna do is we're just gonna
You're not
I
gonna
walk like
find
10 miles a
it.
day, man.
what?
I walk like 10 miles a day.
Nice.
No, it's like at work.
We're just gonna park in that little secret spot and just walk because this is too
You walk a lot.
too dreadful of a wait. Unless somebody pulls out like right now.
Who would go home I guess.
Found a neat little
Like
parking spot.
country. Did you hear that?
What? It's a little lot. Free parking. It's a little bit of a walk. That's okay. We're gonna go. Summertime. First time in the sand. All right, here we go. Go! Oh!
The sand feels
Sand
so
in the
bad.
sand. I have not been at the beach for I think around 2 years. Ooh, I love how it feels here. We're gonna enjoy ourselves here. I'm actually gonna cut into an edit, so it's a little bit of a montage of our day here.
So is it they're not gonna hear what you're saying?
No, they won't.
What if they read your lips?
Then I guess they would.
Secrets out.
Cue the edit. We are done.
Done.
All we did was
So, lay around.
lay around. We didn't even go in the water. I didn't even go in the water. Just found out through Willie that some of our friends that we hang out with, they're having a barbecue and they didn't invite me. So I'm gonna crash the party.
Somebody got some new pants. When fire starts to burn. How does she dance?
Go ahead, do it. Can you model that? No, there. Up there. I'll do a little. So we sent V a very what's the word to describe it?
Menacing.
That's one way to describe it. Willie, can you read back the texts? Loud and clear.
June says he is hungry for food and an explanation for no invite. V's response: OMG, tell him to come. Please, I just forgot. We have so much food. June says when he goes, he is going to need a plate and a reason. V, food is here and I'm inviting him and he should come. June says now he is too embarrassed. He is always the bridesmaid. V, OMG, ha ha ha. He can catch the bouquet and be the bride next time. June says make the bouquet out of chicken wings and you got yourself a deal. V says has to be legs. End of conversation.
I like legs. The first thing I'm gonna say when I see everybody, somebody got some splaining to do. Somebody got some splaining to do. I haven't had one of these in like
I know.
10
That's
years
exactly
or so.
what I said. My turn. Ooh. You know what it tastes like?
Ooh, that's
Remember I
good.
used to have the stuff that's ice? The ice popsicles or whatever.
It's actually not that sweet. Get my plate.
Eat all that.
I'm gonna eat all it. Oh! Almost dropped it.
Get another plate, make it more serving.
Oh.
You vlogging?